I've been there myself. You hit play on a video and it's dragging. The instructor's rambling and suddenly your mind's wandering to your to-do list, your favorite Netflix show, or that meme you saw earlier. Sounds familiar? We've all been there, but what if I could save you time, sharpen your focus, and revolutionize how you soak up knowledge? Here's the deal. When you crank that playback speed to 1.5x or 2x, something magical happens. Your brain snaps back to attention. No more zoning out. Those extra seconds of dead air vanish, and now you're locked into every word. Science backs this up too. Studies show faster audio can boost comprehension and retention because it forces your mind to keep pace. It's like a workout for your focus muscles. And let's be real, in a world where distractions are just a notification away, staying engaged is half the battle. But it's not just about focus, it's about time. Speeding up a 30-minute video by 1.5x saves 10 whole minutes. That's 10 minutes you can use to practice what you learned or dive into the next lesson. You're not just learning smarter, you're learning faster. And in the future, when life moves at warp speed, that's a superpower. Now I know what you're thinking. Won't it sound like a chipmunk on caffeine? Nope. Modern platforms like ours smooth it out so the audio stays crisp and natural, just faster. You're still getting every insight, every enlightening moment, just without the fluff. It's like the instructor's been upgraded to match your impatience. So next time you hit play, don't settle for slow. Crank that speed up, feel your focus ignite, and watch how much more you can conquer. Learning is not just a marathon, it's also a sprint, and you're built to win. Ready to try? Click that little gear icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the video and crank up the speed. Let's go!